I go to printables, go to search, and do a search for whatever I'm looking for. In this case, it's a spiral chess set. In this case, I already sliced it, so I'm just going to move it around real quick, and then I get to reslice it. Once I slice it, let it slice. I get my timing, and I could end up previewing it. 4 hours and 20 minutes. I could end up previewing it. On the preview screen, you could just go through the layers, check it out, make sure everything is good. And that's pretty much it. And all you have to do after that is just click on print with Octoprint. Once it sends to Octoprint, you will get a pop-up on your Octoprint screen that says snapshot plan preview. All you have to do is accept and continue. And that's just for the Octolapse. It shows you a bunch of nice studies with what's about to happen with Octolapse. And that's it. All that's going to happen now is that the extruder is going to heat up in the heat bed. Usually it's the heat bed first. After the heat bed heats up, the extruder will heat up. And that's pretty much it. See, I had the heat bed already heated up, so it's not going to take too long. And then the extruder is going to start heating up. And then we have our camera set up for the time lapse. We have our flash, our light, and then the printer is all nice and warm up. We're using the WAS Turbo again, 2040 Turbo. Okay, so now the extruder is heating up. You can see the numbers going up, and then we're about to start printing in a few. It's a pretty simple process. It doesn't take long. I think all in all, it takes probably like 5 minutes to get all that done, and then the print time. But that's it. Well, we're done. We just gotta wait for the timer to go. Boom, 200, and then printer's gonna home, and then it's just gonna drop down and start to print. Once it starts to print, you can leave it. You can just like leave it alone and let it do its thing. Come back in 4 hours and 20 minutes, and you will find a nice 3D printed queen. Thank you for joining me on this little journey I'm trying to take of putting up videos of my 3D print adventures. All right, so make sure y'all like and subscribe. And yeah, even if you don't like the video, at least tell me what you don't like about it so I can do better. All right, and if you could just tell me what to do, even if you like the video, let me know what I need to do to better the video. And that's pretty much it. So now we just waiting for the first picture of the time lapse to happen, and then tomorrow I will have a time lapse up for y'all. But that's pretty much it right now. And the first snap is about to come right now. Let's go. Snap. Boom. There we go. Snapshot. Time lapse. All right, cool. Thanks. Later.